Zanzibar still has a wild side. And as the tides come and go, the island's giant creatures reveal themselves. Nothing looks more tranquil than warm tropical waves lapping over a white sandy shore.